Let's talk about outdoor spaces. You know, the second most important thing for people buying homes according to Realtor.com. It's a big deal, but here's the thing. I see lots of folks forgetting about something crucial, outdoor heating. Without it, those cool spaces become pretty chilly in the winter. Now let's dig into why planning for outdoor heating early is a smart move. We don't just talk about it, we actually do it in all our projects at Danny Wang Design. So outdoor heating is like the unsung hero when designing these spaces. Imagine spending a bunch of money on an area you can only use part of the year. Not so great. And for businesses, investing in outdoor heating is a smart move. When it gets cold, places with both indoor and outdoor areas don't make as much money. But get a solid heating setup and you'll see some good returns. Let me show you how outdoor heating systems work and the advantages of integrated heating solutions. Let's keep it simple and talk about how these outdoor heating systems work. There are two types. One blows hot air like an air fryer, conventional, and the other warms things up, kind of like the sun on your skin, radiant infrared. For outdoor spaces, you want heaters with more radiant heat because they are efficient and less bothered by wind. Look at this regular standing patio heater. It only heats a small area and might not last long. Think about how many broken patio heaters you've seen in the back corner of restaurant patios. Now check out these ones, the Platinum Electric and Eclipse Electric Outdoor Heaters by Bromic. They give off directional radiant heat, are made of strong stainless steel, warm up quickly, and don't have that harsh red or orange glow. For efficiency, electric heating is truly the way to go. Curious about these Bromic heaters? Click the link in the description to watch my other video with all the details. So where do you start planning for outdoor heating? There are a few factors to consider when planning for outdoor heating. Space confinement and design, availability of utilities, and the cost of operations. Let's start off with the first one. First off, think about your space. How big is it and how's it set up? More open means you'll need more heat since it's more easily affected by the weather. Seasons, water nearby, and wind also affect how much energy you need to keep your space comfy. If you're planning an outdoor space in an area with harsher winters, you're going to need more power for those extra cold days and nights. A quick tip to figure out how much heating you'll need for your space is to calculate the energy in BTUs. Take your square footage, multiply it by 20, that's how many BTUs you need. It's better to have a bit extra, and you can always lower it later with a dimmer controller, much easier than installing another heater at a later time. Next, think about all the local legal and safety requirements, building codes, clearances, and energy sources, and whether your place is new or old matters too. Now, utilities. If you already have gas or electricity set up, awesome. You should always consider integrating gas or electrical lines during the initial design stage to save money. You can add them later, but it's easier up front and less costly. Gas or electric, choose what's cost-effective, convenient, and follows local regulations. For businesses, think about how much it'll cost to run different heaters. Gas might be cheaper in some places, electric in others. If you're at home, do some research to figure out how much running outdoor heaters will cost. So now you should be a pro at planning for outdoor heating. Make it a priority for your outdoor space. Enjoy it all year whenever you want. If you like this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more cool stuff. I'll catch you in the next one. And if you have any outdoor heating tips or want to see more on this topic, drop it in the comments. Until next time.